We're making a balloon disappear inside of a building as a real life visual. We build balloons every day, so being able to draw it up on a CAD program in order to visualize it, and everybody seemed happy and they got to choose their own colors. Between these two bowls. Every time you see a balloon, it brings out the kid in us. So when you were a kid, you were walking around with a helium balloon on the end of a string, and when you let it go, you were in awe that it went up in the sky. So to come in here and to see a balloon and remind you of your childhood is going to be awesome. This building, when I walked around and the names above each of the rooms, brings back a lot of memories. The Yost room, the Cutter room, the Picard room are all balloonists that have been the pioneers of ballooning. Once ballooning is in your blood, it's always in your blood. And it is something that I enjoy sharing with others. I hope everybody enjoys it for years to come.